Located in the Amherst community of Heritage Ridge, you'll discover this two possible 3-bedroom, 2-full bathroom home with a 2-car garage. Upon entering this house, you'll notice the cathedral ceilings, open floor plan with a split bedroom plan too. Kitchen has ample cabinet and counter space with a breakfast bar. The den could easily be converted to a 3rd bedroom if needed. The large lanai is perfect to enjoy the beautiful Florida weather. One small pet is welcomed. Heritage Ridge has a community pool, spa, tennis and pickleball courts. There is also an 18-hole Tom Fazio golf course, putting green and driving range. Only minutes to Hobe Sound Beach, parks, marinas, restaurants, nature center, Jupiter and Stuart.